Hi, I'm Jignesh Shah, and today I'm at the Samtec booth at DesignCon 2025. This year, Samtec is excited to present several live product demonstrations showing 224 gigabits per second PAM4 interconnect solutions, all with excellent performance. Here, you are looking at a live product demo in conjunction with our friends at Broadcom. This evaluation platform incorporates Broadcom's industry-leading 200 gig SERDES technology and Samtec's Si-Fly high-density co-packaged copper cable systems. Si-Fly HD CPC is the industry's highest footprint density, robust interconnect which enables 102.4 terabit, that's 512 lanes at 200 gig in a 95 by 95 millimeter chip substrate. Co-packaged copper connectivity eliminates the insertion losses in the BGA breakout and the PCB and enables a complete passive DAC 224 gig channel that is both extreme performance and low cost. We explain the packaging process of the robust Si-Fly HD CPC in a separate video. It's on Samtec's blog and the YouTube channel. The first platform evaluates the performance of Samtec's Si-Fly HD co-packaged copper and Broadcom's 224 gig SERDES. The 224 gigabits per second PAM4 signal routes through 30 millimeters of the Broadcom substrate and then loops back through 150 millimeters of Samtec hyper low skew twinax. The total channel loss is 20 dB. The performance of 4 channels is shown with a bit error rate of e to the power minus 13. That's essentially error-free. This could have immense potential for chip-to-chip connectivity in some AI-type architectures. The signal part of the second 200 gig platform is a typical data center type of application. Midboard to front panel and back through a passive DAC cable. Specifically, a 200 gig signal travels through a Si-Fly HD cable assembly through 250 millimeters of Samtec hyper low skew twinax cable to a Samtec OSFP front panel connector. Then through a 1 meter passive DAC cable, and it loops back through a similar channel to the Broadcom SERDES. For the channel shown, it has a total channel loss of 48 dB and a bit error rate of e to the power minus 9. That is very encouraging for architecting channels that show great performance and low cost. This performance will get even better once we release our high-performance 224 gig flyover OSFP later this year. These two live demos are first for the industry, and we are excited to see how they will shape the future of co-packaged connectivity. If you have questions, please contact us at hdr@samtec.com. I'm Jignesh Shah, and thank you for watching.